Hello guys, welcome back to another video, Dash Auto Works. In today's video, we got a little mod for the F90 sent to me by Gtlabs in Canada. They sent us over some nice paddle shifters for the M5. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. We're gonna install them today finally. Had them for over a week now. I'm gonna replace the stock ones. Pretty boring. To something with carbon fiber to match. They had a variety of different ones, but I decided to go with these. They had magnetic ones, they had like extended ones and stuff like that, but I decided to go with these. They have like basically the M Performance ones that come on the G80s and the M5 CS, and I like to go for that look. I don't like the magnetic clicky paddle. So right now what I have to do is disconnect the battery, because I have to pop the airbag out, and then get the paddles off. Shouldn't be that hard, fairly simple. So let's do it. For my fellow F90 owners, there's basically nothing here, so you grab like a little pick or something. Stick it in there. Lift this shit up. So as you can see, that's our lithium-ion battery. We're gonna take our 10, so we're gonna take it off. There should be a little hole right here. Yeah, well, there's one right here. One over there. So we gotta grab something round. Poke it, airbag pops off, disconnect it, and we should have access to the paddles. So now we gotta get inside the car. And when we get to here, we're gonna stick this thing in there. This should pop. Something. You gotta like feel for it, I guess. Okay, so now we're gonna take this little pick, disconnect that, wiggle it out of there, put the airbag to the side, access from them without taking the string piece off. So there's a bolt right there, you can see it, I believe it's a T20, and then a bolt right there, sorry, T20 as well, and the paddles will come off. So I'm gonna grab a T20 and then we'll take the paddles out and then we'll see how it works. But I grabbed the T20. Okay. So once you remove the paddle, you can disconnect this wire right here. And the paddle should just come off. Like that. So that's one out. Let's do the other one. Okay, other one's out. So it looks like we need to transfer over this to that. Pretty straightforward, I guess. Looks like we gotta knock this pin out. Okay guys, so it looks like there's a pin. Let me see. There's a pin right here that goes through the paddle. So we have to remove that so we can take this off and install it onto the new paddles. So this pin should slide out. Let me get this pin on and I'll show you guys how this comes off as well. Okay guys, so we got the little spring came out of here. And you put the spring back here, like that. And line this spring up. Basically, this has to slide in like this. So it goes into a motion like this and then sits like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get this installed and then I'll show you guys. Pretty simple when you have two hands. So basically, I put the spring onto here, then I loaded it into here, slid it this way, just to go this way, and just slide the pin back in and just double check that it's clicking, and that's it. Look at that. I love these. It's gonna look beautiful in there. So we got both installed now. Clicking, and let's install them now. Let's get them in. I'm excited. completely different driving dynamic now. Let's hop in and take a look. I think that's beautiful. Sorry about that. Beautiful. Let's connect the battery. Fire it up. Oh yeah, these are sick. Let me know what you guys think of them. I think that they're beautiful, and it's definitely gonna change the like dynamic of the driving the car. It gives it more of like a sporty feeling now, because those other ones are so like small and like, I don't know. I always wanted longer ones. I got them now. If you guys are interested in these paddles, go hit up Gtlabs Canada. I'll show you guys their Instagram right now. I am super happy with this product. Definitely changed the interior of my car. Check them out if you guys are interested in any of their product. They basically have everything. You can do custom steering wheels. They have for Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, Toyota, Lexus, Tesla, for the BMW products. But yeah, if you guys are interested in paddles, these from the dealer are like $700-800 bucks. And then from Gtlabs, they're like $200 I believe. Yeah, they're $200. That's gonna end this video. Thank you guys for sending these paddles out to me. And thank you guys for watching. And until the next one, we're out.